What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mixed by AP, and I'm back with another video. I'm excited about this video because we get to have a little fun. As you can tell by the title, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to record your music using your phone as a microphone. And if you're new to my channel, I teach people how to record, mix, and master at a professional level on Logic Pro X by using only the free stock plugins. And I also have lessons on Pro Tools by using the more advanced plugins like Waves, FabFilter, and more. So I have a little something for everyone, no matter what level you're at, beginner, intermediate, or expert. So if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead, hit that button for me so I could teach you how to mix like the best engineers in the game. I love doing creative videos like this because it takes me back to a time where things were simpler. Nowadays, I get to record at nice studios with good equipment, but every once in a while, I have to remind you young bulls that it wasn't always like this for me. I had to start from the bottom with nothing and work my way up until I finally got to work with this good equipment. I've heard every excuse in the book for why people can't record their music. The biggest excuse that people make is that they don't have the equipment they need to record. You've probably heard it, or maybe you're one of the people that use this excuse. But that stops today. Some quick free game that's not exactly mixing related, but it's more overall music industry related, is nobody cares about your situation. Most people in the music industry came from situations where they had to make something out of nothing. So you need to stop giving excuses and find a way to make things happen. The reason that I even know how to record off a phone is because I wanted to make music and I had no equipment. But instead of giving up and making an excuse, I just figured out a way to make things happen with the little things that I did have. This is stuff that you have to do. You have to figure out a finesse when you're first starting out. It's just part of the game. So now let's jump into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use your phone to record. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put your phone on top of some sort of fabric. And this is just to trap some of that noise, some of that sound. You don't want your sound bouncing off everywhere. So since we don't have a booth, this is the next best thing. You know, we're just making things happen. We're just making it work however we can. Everyone has a towel. So put your towel down, put your phone on top. And as you see, I kind of created this little cave for the phone. You know, you can even get creative with it. You can put little sticks on the side to hold it up. You know, this is just to create kind of a little space that traps the sound, and it goes directly into your microphone, into your phone's microphone. Now to record our vocals, we're gonna use an app called Voice Memo. It comes with every single iPhone, and Android has a similar app. It's just not called Voice Memo, it's called something else. But every phone should have this, you know, voice recording app. So I have my Voice Memo pulled up, and you want this side, because this is where your microphone is, it's at the bottom. You want the bottom to be facing towards you. So you're basically gonna be singing into the bottom of your phone right here. So you're gonna put your phone back in the little cave, and you see how you still have access to that record button on the Voice Memo app? You can still press it from the location of where it's at on the little recording station. And remember guys, I don't get anything from making these videos, so all I really ask is that you smash that like button for me. It really helps my channel out a lot. It helps me grow, and it helps me keep making these videos and teaching you guys. So if you could just take a second to smash that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. So once you've set up your recording station, you're gonna go over to your computer and you're gonna pull up whatever recording software you use. Whether it's Logic, Pro Tools, GarageBand is free. It comes on every single Apple computer. You can use Fruit Loops for other types of computers, Dell, stuff like that, Microsoft computers. So once you've opened up the DAW of your choice, the recording program, you import your beat, and of course you're gonna set the tempo, you know, to whatever tempo it is, and you're gonna need some sort of headphones. For me, I'm gonna use AirPods. You can use whatever. You can use studio headphones, you can use the wired headphones, anything that just allows you to hear the beat, right? And remember, when you connect your AirPods or your headphones or whatever, you want to connect your headphones to your computer, not to your phone, because your computer is gonna be what's playing the beat for you to listen to, and your phone is only recording your audio. It's only recording audio. So I'm gonna connect my AirPods right now to my computer. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna record a couple takes so you guys can see the process and see what we're doing, right? And I don't have anything written to this beat, so I'm just gonna be freestyling and hopefully it sounds decent enough to work with. So we're gonna press record on our phone. So now it's recording a track. We're going to press play on our computer so that we hear the beat, and we're going to record. We're going to sing our vocals into our little microphone, you know. Yeah. Oh. Hey, yeah, I get money. Yeah, I get hoes. Yeah, I got $1,000 clothes. Yeah, I got cars. Yeah, I got whips. Yeah, I got hoes. Yeah, get your bitch. Yeah, ooh, fuck, shouldn't be cursing like this cause it's monetized, but I don't care, I got mob ties, yeah, I'ma get that bitch in the fucking thighs, yeah, what did I just say? I don't even know. Okay, you already know though, had to keep going cause this beat going dumb though. Hey, oh, yeah, I look real nice, I get real money, yeah, I got ice. Okay, alright, I'm done. Alright, so now you can pause it on the beat. You pause it on the voice memo, and this is the fun part. So this works best if you have an iPhone and an iMac because it's so easy. You can just airdrop it from your phone to your iMac. But for everyone else who doesn't have Apple products, it's okay. All you have to do is just email the recording to your email and then pull it up on your laptop and download it. So right here I have my audio that I recorded from my phone that I sent to my computer, and all I did was I dragged it in to my session. And when I did that, I had this right here and I had to line it up. So I had to sit there and find the spot that it fit perfectly. So I'll show you guys exactly what I did just so I can redo it. It took a second, but so that's why I don't want to redo it exactly. But basically I had to zoom in, cut out all the beginner parts, and I had to, you see where this is right here. It took about a minute to line it up perfectly with the beat because remember, since you're recording from your iPhone, it's not going to be perfectly lined up when you import it. So I'm gonna mute this new import, and this is the import that I lined up perfectly. And I even added some effects on it so that you can hear the potential of what it could sound like if you just add your little mix on it. So I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like.
AP.
Yeah.
Snap, man.
Oh. Hey, yeah, I get money, yeah, I get hoes, yeah, I got $1,000 clothes, yeah, I got cars, yeah, I got whips, yeah, I got hoes, yeah, get your bitch, yeah, ooh, fuck, shouldn't be cursing like this cause it's monetized, but I don't care, I got mob ties, yeah, I'ma get that bitch in the fucking thighs, yeah, what did I just say? I don't even know. Okay, you already know though, had to keep going cause this beat going dumb though. Hey, oh, yeah, I look real nice, I get real money, yeah, I got ice. Okay, alright, I'm done. There it is. That's what it could sound like. That's just recording off my phone. And that's without me even really being conscious of how close I was to the mic, how far away. You know, as you practice doing this from your phone, the more and more you do it, you actually find these little methods of what works best for your voice and what works best for your situation. So you might notice that standing close to the mic is gonna sound better, or you might notice that standing far away, a little like one step back from your phone sounds better. You don't know. It's all about experimenting, and you figure this stuff out along the way. So another thing that you need to add is some sort of noise gate, okay? This is very important when you're recording off your phone because there's gonna be all these background noises that your phone doesn't eliminate. And this noise gate actually will eliminate all the background noises for you and give you kind of just more clear vocals that are just uninterrupted. Nothing in the background, it's just your vocals. And I have a whole video about how to use a noise gate. I can't go into this video because it's gonna take another 20 minutes to explain, but you can check out that video, and if you put that video and this video together, well, then that's gonna allow you to record vocals off your phone and have them clear enough to where you're able to work with them and mix them and just start creating music. Just start recording and not making excuses and just doing what it takes to start recording your music. So yeah guys, that's how you record music, by using your phone. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you learned a lot. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that I can continue to keep teaching you guys everything I know about mixing and mastering to help you become the best engineer you can possibly be. And as always guys, I'll see you in next week's video. I'm out.